Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by opening your image and selecting the exact layer you want to adjust. Once done, duplicate the layer or add a brightness/contrast adjustment layer to preserve the original. Make sure your document uses the correct color profile so brightness shifts look consistent across devices. Now set your workspace to Essentials or Photography for easy access, and toggle the one zoom to judge real brightness changes rather than scaled approximations. You'll proceed by choosing the right adjustment: brightness/contrast for quick fixes, levels for tonal clipping control, and curves for precise midtone shaping. Apply the adjustment layer and drag sliders. Watch the histogram to avoid clipping. Use the adjustments layer mask to paint with a soft black brush to hide or white to reveal changes locally. If highlights or shadows look unnatural, change the adjustment layer's blend mode to luminosity and lower opacity to blend brightness without altering color. To finish, compare your result to the original by toggling the adjustment layer and taking a snapshot in history. Make sure the change improves readability without crushing detail. Convert the layer to a smart object earlier if you need editable non-destructive filters. If you encounter banding or posterization, switch to 16-bit mode or add subtle noise and reevaluate curves adjustments. Finally, save a versioned PSD and export a flattened copy. This preserves editability while providing a clean deliverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.